Hello students, how are you? You all are fine? Today we are going to learn lesson number 1, revision of level 1. Previous lecture I already explained you what is a computer. A computer is a wonderful and useful machine. A computer is an electronic machine. It helps us to do many things. At below here, I am explaining you the different function of computer can perform. Look at this picture. With the use of computer, we can store information. You can play games. Third picture, you can solve sums. You can type story and play games. You can watch movies and cartoons. You can study. You can book tickets online. You can send and receive messages. You can draw and color pictures. You can listen to music. So, first picture, with the use of computer, we can store our information. It means if you make any document, you can create your document into the computer. With the use of computer, we can easily play any games like Mario, car racing, etc. Chess. With the use of computer, we can solve sums. If you have any problem to solving a sums, you can use computer. With the use of computer, we can type story and play games. I know you all are watching movies with the use of computer and watch a cartoon. At your home, you all are study use of computer, so that is the use of computer. With the use of computer, we can book a tickets. With the use of computer, if you want to send a message to your friend, so with use of computer, you can send and receive a messages. If you want to draw a picture, so with the use of computer, you can draw pictures. If you want to listen a music, so with the use of computer, you listen a music. You can reheat food items in a microwave. But can a computer be used like a microwave? No, it cannot look like a microwave. You can toast bread in a toaster. Can computer be used like a toaster? No, it cannot work. But students, you have any question? But we call computer is a machine. So why computer not work look like the toaster and microwave? Because computer is an electronic machine, and with the use of computer we can draw pictures, store information, play games, story, we can write story and etc. But we cannot work to toast bread, to reheat food items, etc. Computer remembers many things but cannot think and take a decision like us. Computer remembers many things but cannot take any decision like us. Means you all are remember many things and you take your own decision. But a computer take a decision of user. It means we, हम लोगों का यूज करते, हम लोग जो कमांड डालते हैं उसकी मदद से कंप्यूटर अपना वर्क करता है. लेट अस सी द प्लेसेस वेयर computer are used. This first picture, look at the first picture. This picture is airports. Second one is home. Third one, shop and malls. So, dear students, what is the use of computer in airport? In airport, a computers are used for booking tickets. Now my second question, what is the use of computer at home? So with the use of computer, a computer are used at home to do work and play games. Now next question, what is the use of computers in shop and malls? So computers are used to make bills in shop and malls. So this is the use of computers in different places. What is the use of computers in a bank? Computers are used to deposit and withdraw money in a bank. In office, to do office work. At railway station, a computer are used for booking tickets. In schools, teacher use computer for teaching you and also learning for us. In restaurants, computers are used to make bills of food items. In a hotel and restaurants, computers are used to store record of guest details. Now, your point to remember. A computer can be used for playing games, listening to music, storing information and many more. Second thing, computer can be used at various places like school, restaurant, office, railway station, at home, library, bank, hospital, etc. There are few things which computer cannot do. Which things computer cannot do? Computer are not take any decision look like a human. Now your exercise time. Do you want to learn your exercise? But before starting your exercise, I ask some oral question, and this question you write in your notebook with answer. Question 1. Name any two places where you have seen computer being used. So your answer is at home, in shops and malls, at airports, in banks, schools, library, etc. Now, question number 2. Name any game that you have played on your computer. Chess. What is the spelling of chess? CHESS. Cricket. CRICKET. Third, car racing. CAR-RACING. Question number third. What can we watch on a computer? Movies and cartoons. MOVIES and AND. Cartoons. 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 Now question number B. Multiple choice question. First question. A computer is A. Filling the blanks. Your option: machine, drawing and game. What is your correct answer? Machine. A. Second question, we cannot make filling the blanks on a computer. First option A. Dosa, B. Music, C. Drawing. So what we cannot make with the use of computer? A. डोसा. क्या नहीं बना सकते हम? डोसा. Question number 3. A computer is used to send and receive filling the blanks. A. Sums, B. Messages, C. Games. So what we do? We can send and receive messages. Question number 4. A computer helps you to do filling the blanks things. Option A. Limited, B. Many, C. Few. Your answer is many things. Now, next question. C. Write T for true or F for false. It means you write it in this box. Question number 1. You can do calculation very slow on a computer. So your answer is false. Why false? Because with the use of computer, we can do calculations very fast. So your answer is false. In the first, you write F. Second, we can store information in a computer. So your answer is true. You write in the box T. Third, a computer cannot solve sums. So your answer is false. Why false? Because computer can solve sums. So in the third question, your answer is F. 4. Computer is used to listen music. Yes, with the use of computer we can listen music. So question 4, you write T. 5th, you cannot play game with computer. So your answer is false. Why false? Because your right answer is with the use of computer we can play games. Now, so in the first fifth question answer, fifth true or true false, you can write F. Now your question D. Match the following. I can solve sums on a computer. It means 4 number answer. Second, I can do drawing on a computer. So third answer into the second question. Question number 3. I can play games on a computer. So your answer is second. Games on a computer. Question number 4. I can listen to music on a computer. So your answer is first, music on a computer. Now move to the next point, activity corner. A. Find and circle the names of the places where computers are used. Find them all. You all are find it. Here I am just give the name of places, but you write it in your notebook and you also make a and circle. Okay? Bank, BANK, bank. School, SCHOOL. Third, hospital, Fourth, home. Okay. Fifth, shop. Sixth, airport. 7, station, airport station, sorry. 8, hotel. Now, office. Next, office. Okay, you can write it in your notebook. Now, next question. Place a tick mark where you think a computer can be used and put a cross mark where you think it cannot be used. First, Sonam is eating an ice cream. Can a computer be used for eating an ice cream? So here you put it false. With the use of computer, we can eat ice cream? No. So here you put it false. Second, Aman is listening to music. Can a computer be used to listen to music? So your answer is true. With the use of computer, we can listen a music. So here your answer is true. Here your exercise is finished. Thanks to listen me. Have a nice day. Bye bye. We meet to our next session.